The judge denied the bond for 33-year-old Brent Wellman due to the severity and seriousness of the charges. And for the first time, we heard details about the night before and the morning of the murder of Dennis Adams Jr. During the hearing, Brent Wellman remained nearly silent, except when asked to respond to the judge, and he showed no emotion as the prosecutor laid out the case against him. Wellman pleaded not guilty to murder, resisting law enforcement, and a felony firearm enhancement for using a gun while committing a felony that resulted in a death. Detective Sergeant Jack Stevens told the judge this all started when someone called 911 around 5:30 Thursday morning.
They heard a vehicle, seemed like it was screeching, coming to an abrupt stop. That kind of woke them up to where they looked out the window to see what was going on. While that was going on, they heard 5 gunshots.
A short time later, a Good Samaritan pulled up behind the stopped SUV, wanting to see if they needed any help.
He observed that he was laying across the center console with his head in the passenger seat. He observed his legs to be twitching. He observed blood on the pants and blood around the face like he had a facial injury.
The SUV drove away and a sheriff's deputy spotted it a little while later on Texas Gas Road. That deputy tried to initiate a traffic stop, but the driver took off. Eventually, police found Wellman in a creek after a lengthy search involving drones, a helicopter, a search dog, and more. Eventually, deputies found 39-year-old Dennis Adams Jr. dumped in a wooded area off Texas Gas Road. He'd been shot several times. They believe Wellman broke into Adams' SUV sometime the previous night and waited to attack him. So far, they've not recovered the gun used to kill him. During the hearing, the prosecutor said that this is a death penalty eligible case because Brent Wellman is accused of lying in wait for his victim. Now, after the hearing, I asked the prosecutor if she would pursue the death penalty. She says right now it's just too early to make that call. In Lawrenceburg, I'm Christian Hauser.
And detectives say Brent Wellman tried to break into the apartment of his ex-girlfriend but was not able to do so. They think that Dennis Adams, who lived in Erlanger, was driving home and then maybe heading to work when Wellman allegedly killed him. The murder charge he's facing carries a minimum of 45 years in prison.